Okay, so I have some bulk human hair here. So this is labeled a 27, a number 30, and number 613 human bulk hair. And this one here is just a natural black color human bulk hair. And they're both in 20 inches deep wave. I'm trying to think, do I want this color throughout? I don't know. Okay, I found some inspiration. It's blonde hair in the back, and then it's blonde on one side. I think that's so cute. Yeah. So I will be timing myself for this style. Okay, so just 2 rows right here in the front. This will be blonde. And then for the back, 3 rows in the back, this will be blonde. And then everywhere else will be that black color. Okay, I have 3 braids done so far in that 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Now let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm using this Ebon braid gel more so on the ends of my hair as I'm braiding the hair down. But I'm also using this red one black tube edge control. This one goes on my roots because this edge control is a little bit more thick and it just holds better versus this one, baby, she real thin and jelly. So just take a little section of hair and then I take some of this braid gel edge control and put that on the ends of the weave because I really don't care too much about this edge control, and like I said, it doesn't have too much of a hold, so I just put it on the ends of the bulk human hair to make it more manageable, and it just tames the hair overall. Now I take my comb through to help separate the hair. You know, that's less work on me. I just have to grab and go. And I am feeding in about 8 to 9 pieces of hair per braid. And the thickness of the section per braid is about this thick. And then I go ahead and separate my natural hair into 3. Start my braid, and then I will instantly add in a piece of the human hair and pull that right out. This is the only piece that I pull right out. I do that so that I will have a curl at the top, and then I braid down 2-3 times, and then just continue to add in my pieces. But these pieces I will actually braid over, and then once I come across one that has a piece of human hair, I will go ahead and pull that out. And then here, piece of human hair, I will go ahead and pull that out. Add a little bit more edge control. Like I said, I like to add the braid gel on my hair as I'm braiding down. So that section I pulled a piece of hair out, I will go ahead and add a piece of hair in. And just keep repeating the same thing until I get to the end of my natural hair. As you can see here, I did not add any synthetic hair. So basically I will continue to add in pieces of the human hair, pulling out pieces of the human hair, and braiding the hair down past my natural hair, and that's it. Maybe pull up one more section of hair. And like I said, you'll see here that I won't add any nail glue. I will not tie a knot or anything like that. Like I said, I just braid past my natural hair, and that's it. There's the braid. She's not going anywhere. You don't have to add glue or a knot. And then that way, once you remove this hair, you just section it all together, wash it, let it air dry, and you can reinstall it because there's no knot or glue at the end of the braid. Okay, this front section, and it's been 30 minutes basically. Hour and 25 minutes. I'm finished with the blonde section. Alright, so I have this one section of the black completed. And here it is, an hour and 56 minutes in. So I will show you on this braid how I braid my hair in the back. Pretty much how I position my hands. Okay, so for the back, I just bring my hands over around my head. And when I do my individual braids, I like to braid it underhand basically. So I split my hair into 3. And then I just crisscross it over like so. And then bring my hands around and just feed in the hair from there. In the back, I do braid the hair over 2 times before I go to pull out a piece of hair. versus in the front, I pull a piece of hair out right away. Because I have a little bit more leverage in the front, so I can do that. Go ahead and pull out some hair. And then just continue to braid down and feed in hair as I go. And that's how I do the braids in the back. That one braid took me about 6 minutes. Okay, so I finished the middle with the black. I have 2 rows on the side and I'm at 3 hours and 43 minutes. I'm ready to start on the second black bundle. This is how much hair I had left of the blonde bundle. And I'm ready to start the second black one. I'm getting a little sleepy, but I'm determined to finish. So let's see how much I can get through tonight. Okay, I just finished. All my sections are done. First of all, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Second of all, it took me 5 hours and 21 minutes to do these braids. I have 53 braids and I used basically 2 packs because I have a little bit of the black hair left and a little bit of the blonde mixture hair left. Okay, so I started taking out the little twists that I had them sectioned in. And look at the curl pattern. It's almost like it's back to how it was. Loving the pop of color over here. And then turn around and you have a little bit in the back. Oh, yes. Super cute. Okay, so here's the final look of my braids. The pop of color. I love it. You know, you have so many options. Flip it over to where you see majority of the black hair. Flip it over where you see the blonde. So yeah, you guys, click the link down below and go ahead and grab your hair now. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this color combo. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. And to remove this hair, I just unravel my braid and then I'm left with all of the pieces like this. When I remove my braid, see it comes out whole. You can see where I added the product and folded it into my braid. And that's actually perfect because that way I just pick up the hair and collect it all right there at that angle. Just group it all in my hand. And then once I have a good amount together, I'll go ahead and add a rubber band at the top. Just unravel your braid, collect all your hair and section it together and you can reuse it. That's why I do not add a knot and that's why I do not like to add nail glue to my human hair pieces, and I want to reuse this human hair. And yes, it is time consuming to unravel your braid and collect all this hair together rather than just cutting it, but it's so worth it because look, you have hair for next time. I have it separated in these bundles. I will go ahead and wash it. See, nice and clean. Same for the blonde hair. So I'm gripping this top really tight as I finger comb this hair. I love how conditioner just instantly makes hair really soft. This color is so pretty. I'll go ahead and add a rubber band at the top. I love how conditioner just instantly makes hair really soft. This color is so pretty. And like I said, I'll let this hair air dry and then put it back in the original packaging.